In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background blur in Figma. Background blur is a great way to create modern, soft-looking interfaces, highlight important content, or give your designs a sense of depth. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can easily apply this effect to any element inside your Figma file. First, open Figma and select the file you want to work on. This can be an existing design or a brand new frame you've just created. Make sure you're on the correct page and zoomed in enough to clearly see the element you want to blur. It helps to decide ahead of time which object or area will have the blur effect, such as a card, a panel, or a navigation bar sitting on top of an image or colored background. Next, select the layer or frame where you want the blur to appear. With that object selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen, where the design panel is. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Effects. This is where Figma keeps all the visual effects you can apply to a layer, including shadows and blurs. If you don't see it right away, make sure the correct object is selected, or try expanding the side panel. Inside the Effects section, you'll see a small arrow next to the effect options. Click on this little arrow to expand the full list of effect types. This drop-down is important because it lets you choose exactly what kind of visual effect you want. By default, Figma might show a shadow or a basic blur, so opening this list ensures you're choosing the specific blur style you need. From that list, click on Layer Blur. This tells Figma to blur the selected layer itself, creating a smooth, frosted, or out-of-focus look. Once you have applied Layer Blur, you can adjust its intensity by changing the blur value, usually shown as a number. A smaller number gives you a subtle blur, while a higher number creates a much stronger, softer look. Take a moment to tweak this value until it feels right for your design. And that's it. You've successfully added a background blur